Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to block someone on Steam. And now let's dive right in. Now to block someone on Steam, first open up your Steam app and log into your account, as I've already logged into my account on Steam. And on this interface guys, at the left side you can see there's a username available for us over here where my mouse is hovering, and hover over that on your username. And when this menu appears guys, you can see the friends option available for us, which is the third one. Click on the friends option, which is just below the profile, and this menu appears and you can see all of your friends on your Steam over here. Now in order to block a person from this list, click on the person whom you want to block and their profile will open like this. Now in order to block this person on Steam, at the right side or the top right corner over here guys, you can see here is the three dotted icon available for us with the drop down arrow where my mouse is hovering. Click on that drop down arrow and this kind of interface will appear, and you can see the block all communications. Simply click on the block all communication over here, and when this menu appears, click on the yes, block them again, and that person will be blocked on Steam. And there guys, this is how to block someone on Steam. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.